Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. The topic of decimals. This is really important because decimals, they form the basic concept for so many higher concepts everywhere. We use decimals in addition, subtraction, obviously in percentages also, and profit and loss. Wherever there are quantities, there are decimals. So you need to be really smart in handling decimals, and you need to understand how addition and subtraction of decimals has to be done. Very useful video for my class 5 and 6 students who are learning to beginning to learn these basic concepts. And after watching this video, it's very important that you practice the concept. The basic error which the students do is they watch the video, they learn the concept, but they don't practice it. Watching the video is just 20% of what you have to do to excel in your exams. So if you are looking to upskill yourself, if you are looking to do a comprehensive preparation for whatever exams you are going to face, then uh, working out like 50-60 questions is very important. And for that reason, to complete your preparation, we have already prepared practice worksheets with answer key so that you can practice the concept given in the video. So adding and subtracting decimals, this is the concept in hand. And to download the practice PDF, the worksheet based on this concept along with the answer key, you can click the link which is given in the description box below. So click that, download it, and complete your preparation of this important topic. Very useful for class 5-6 students, and equally important for all the students who are preparing for any kind of government competitive exam and learning from the scrap. And summer vacation is round in the corner, and the best offers we have launched on the ebook of short tricks, the reasoning course, the CBSE practice worksheets. If you want to upskill yourself during the summer vacation, then this ebook of short tricks, right from class 3 onwards, students are studying this and becoming smarter and faster in terms of their calculation speed. So if you want to excel, then go for this ebook of short tricks, very nominal costing ebook of short tricks. And then reasoning course, both of these come with video support, so that if you don't learn, are not able to understand anything in written form, then you can click the link and watch the video and feel comfortable with that concept. CBSE practice worksheets, I've noticed that the NCERT books and the other refreshers which are available in market, they don't give you a variety of problems. 50-60 questions related to a single concept is amazing, right? And these are exclusive worksheets not found anywhere on the internet or in print form in any textbook. WhatsApp 9896369963 to get a copy of those very nominal costing worksheets, or you can visit www.sureshagarwal.in, and obviously the link of this particular worksheet is given in the description box below. Let's see the concepts in hand. Find the sum in each of the following questions. Now see, there are three numbers here. There is a reason why I have taken this as the first question. 6.88 has one digit before decimal and two digits after decimal, and likewise 8.66 also has the same number of digits before and after decimal. Likewise 9.44 also has the same number of digits. So when there are equal number of digits before and after the decimal, then the problem is very easy. You just have to write the decimal one below the other and add vertically. If the question contains two digits after decimal, then your answer will also contain two digits after decimal. So 8 plus 6, 14, and 4 is 18. So 8 and a 1 carry. So 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 4, 19. So 9 and a 1 carry again. And this makes it 24. So 24.98 is the sum of these numbers, the decimal numbers. The only difference in the first question and the second question given there is that the number of digits before and after decimal might vary. So how do we write these numbers? 2.5 is the first one, and when I have to write 6.25, then 6.25 will be written like this. And if you find that like 2.5 has only one decimal place, so you can put a 0 after decimal, it doesn't make a difference. And likewise 8.125, you can write it like this, 8.125, and now you suffix zeros here. After decimal, you can put any number of zeros. And then 70.2, that's very important. Point comes below point, and then 70 will be written like this. So 70.2, and 2 can be suffixed by 2 zeros like this. So this is how you can represent, you can write these numbers one below the other when you have to add them. So now add vertically. This is 5 obviously. This is 7. 5 plus 5, 10, right? So 0 and a 1 carry. And now it's elementary addition. I think this is 17. So 7 and a 1 carry. So that makes it 8. So 87.075 is the answer of this question. I'm sure you are aware of these methods and you know how to do it. But can you do like 30 such questions in 10 minutes without making an error? That's what is the intention of giving you the worksheet, so that you can test yourself in terms of your speed and in terms of your accuracy. So in both ways you have to be smart. So don't think that the concept is very easy and you can work out any number of problems. No, in banking and railways exams, it's very difficult. Sometimes what happens is you see numbers and numbers and numbers on the pages, and suddenly you feel that these numbers are really difficult to handle, although the single question might be very easy. So this is how you need to understand why we need to study the basic concepts well. Let's see the question number 3 now. Jasmine bought 8 meters 25 centimeters of cloth for shirt, right? So from this length she has to prepare a shirt, and 6 meter 85 centimeter cloth for trouser. So the length of the cloth bought for shirt and for trouser is given to you, and we need to find the total length of the cloth bought by her in decimals. Now in decimals, that's really important. So see, when you add them, the meters, unit conversions is really important. Either you convert them in the same unit initially before adding, or you add them and then convert it into decimals. I prefer the second one, because I like to add the numbers which have the same unit, like 8 meter and 6 meters, 14 meters, and 25 centimeter and 85 centimeter is 110 centimeter. Now, if I know that 100 centimeters make 1 meter, then I will subtract 100 from this, which gets me 10 centimeter, and I will add 1 to this because 1 meter is now carried forward. So 15 meters and 10 centimeters. Now 10 centimeters is actually 10 upon 100, which is 1/10 of a meter, and 1/10 is 0.1. So 15.1 meters is the answer for this particular question. See, um, these type of questions, the students make the maximum errors. You know why? Because the conversion of units, that forms a part of these questions, and also when they have to convert the quantities into decimals, then those conversions are crucial, like conversion of kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to millimeters, and so on. Where to use 1000, where to use 100, and where to use 10. That's really important. Let's see the question number 4, which is based on the same concept. Dhiru walked 1 kilometer and 125 meter in the morning, 3 kilometer 875 meters in the afternoon, and 4 kilometers 625 meters in the evening. So these are the three distances she walks during different time of the day. So how much distance she walked in all? So again addition. So you see these three numbers are in kilometers. So very easy to add them. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 kilometers. And what about the other ones? This is 875 plus 125 is 1000 and 625. So 1625 meters. Now if I know that 1000 meters make a kilometer, then I will subtract 1000 from this and add 1 kilometer here, which gives me 9 kilometer and 625 meters. And if you divide this by 1000, you are actually converting that into kilometers, this part, right? This will get converted into kilometers. So 9 kilometer 0.625 kilometer, which is the answer for this particular question. 9.625 kilometers is the total distance she walked in all. Okay. So these are only some part of the practice PDF which I am showing you. These type of questions, you find a huge lot of questions in that PDF, which the link of which is given below. Okay, so let's see the next one. This is question number 5, subtraction now. So here there is a round figure quantity 600, and we need to subtract two numbers from this, 47.88 and 147.8. So this is actually, you add 47.88 and 147.8, and whatever you get after addition, you subtract it from 600. So what is the sum of 47.88 and 147.8? So suffix is 0 here, and then add vertically 6. 1 carry means 5, 1 carry means 9, and 1. So 195.68, and now I have to subtract this number 195.68 from 600. See, 600 doesn't have a decimal there, right? So how do you write it? I will write it as 600 point required number of zeros. Because this number has only two decimal places, I will write only two zeros here. And now I will write 195.68 below this and carry out the traditional subtraction. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, and obviously 5 minus 1 is 4. So 404.32 is the answer for this particular question. Again, a very important question because it involves addition and subtraction both. Likewise, question number 6 is also based on the same concept where you have to add 20.28 and 6.254. Look how I am writing them. This is important. 4, 13, 3, 1 carry. So 5, 6 and 3. So this is the sum, and 3.024 and 15.4. So 4, 2, 4, 8 and 1. See, and then subtract the 2. So 36.534 minus 18.424 will give me, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 36 minus 18. You can do it directly, which gives you 18. So the answer for the question is 18.11. See, I could do that easily because I'm very comfortable handling the decimals, and that's what I want you to become comfortable in handling the decimals. So friends, download the practice worksheet, the link of which is given here, and I'm sure the cost is going to surprise you, the cost of the worksheet. So go for it and learn all these concepts. This is lecture 29 of this series of videos for my class 6 students. Do send me a message if you want all the previous worksheets. You can send me a message on 9896369963. It will be wonderful having all those worksheets and preparing thoroughly for your school exams. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends. Do subscribe the channel, click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications. Thanks for watching this, and I'll be there with lecture number 30 of this series of videos very soon.